I saw you, and this man has no name tag. What's wrong with you? We have told you not to block road. Look at the way you're dressing. You ain't properly dressed.
You are telling him hiding for what?
Where these people sitting down, that's where he sat down. And they told him that people are here. He refused to come.
No, get his details.
What's your name?
Ogana Chukwu. Sorry.
Any other response from you, I'll put inside the vehicle and take you to the headquarters.
Sorry.
Any other response from you, you are very indisciplined. You are coming to Abuja with the way you talk to senior officers. You are indisciplined.
Good afternoon. We are just checking on our men on the road to make sure that they are not extorting and they are complying with IG's directive. Inspector General of Police, IGP Olatunji Rewandisu, PSC Daga, MPM, who has directed that we go round all our men on duty on the road. Nobody should block the road. They should position themselves well.